Welcome back to our course. Today we'll have lesson 2 and we're talking about the physical features of geography of USA. Before we begin, I want to show you something. In this section of our virtual class, you will find the item sesiones online or online session, and you will find here below the class video according to every lesson. In this case, we have class video lesson 1 because obviously is from lesson 1. Well, so now we can continue and start with this. Well, as you can see, this lesson going to be longer than the previous one, but don't worry, we'll get this. So the United States boasts a diverse and varied landscape, characterized by a wide range of physical features, including mountain ranges, rivers, deserts, and coastlines. So here's an overview of some major physical features, starting to number one, the Rocky Mountains, running from the northernmost part of British Columbia in Canada down to New Mexico. In short words, from up to down. The Rocky Mountains were a significant mountain range. They're known for their rugged terrain and majestic peaks. The Rockies plays a crucial role in shaping the climate and geography of western part of the country. Number two, we have the Appalachian Mountains, starting from Alabama in the south to Newfoundland, Canada. The Appalachian Mountains are one of the oldest mountain ranges in the world. They're characterized by rolling hills, dense forests, and have had historical impact on settlement patterns and transportation routes in the east of the United States. Now we have we can say this in two form. We can say this as Sierra Nevada or Spanish Sierra Nevada. Anyway, it's located in the western United States. The Sierra Nevada mountain range extends through California and Nevada. Sierra Nevada is known for its stunning granite peaks, including famous Lake Tahoe and Yosemite National Park. Let's go to number 4, the Great Basin. Encompassing part of Nevada, Utah, Oregon, and Idaho, the Great Basin is a vast region characterized by high desert, plateaus, and mountain ranges. It is an internally drained area, meaning that its rivers and streams do not flow the ocean but instead drain into lakes and marshes within the basin. Now, let's go to one of the most famous landmarks in the state is the Mississippi River. It's one of the longest rivers in the world. Don't forget about this. The Mississippi River flows from Minnesota in the north of the Gulf of Mexico in the south. It has played a vital role in the country's history, serving as a major transportation route and influencing settlement patterns along its banks. Going to rivers, we are going to the Missouri River, a major tributary of Mississippi River. The Missouri River is the longest river in North America. It flows from Montana through the Meadows and joins the Mississippi River in Missouri. Another important river is Colorado River, originating in Rocky Mountains and flowing through the southwestern United States. The Colorado River is known for carrying out the Grand Canyon, Arizona. It is a crucial water source of the region, supplying waters to several states. Of course, we don't forget about Great Lakes, such as Michigan, Huron, Erie, and Ontario. The Great Lakes form the largest group of freshwater lakes in the world. So they are located in the northeastern part of the country and have significant impact in regional climate and commerce. Then we have some desert like Jet Desert, situated in the southwestern United States. Mucho Desert spans part of California, Nevada, Utah, and Arizona, known for its air conditioned, unique geological formation and Joshua trees. Mojave is one of the country's prominent deserts. The Atlantic and Pacific coastlines. The United States is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean to the east and the Pacific Ocean to the west. The coastlines are characterized by a variety of features, including sandy beaches, large cliff, and coastal plains. So, these physical features contribute to diverse ecosystem, climates, and landscape found throughout the United States, of course shaping its cultural, economic, and environmental characteristics. So now you can see here a physical map of the United States. We were talking before. These feature mountains, landform plateaus, lakes, rivers, major cities, and capital. It also includes insert maps for Hawaii and Alaska over here. We can see here the Rocky Mountains, Colorado Plateau, Great Basin, Great Plains, Coastal Plain. This is the North Atlantic Ocean, the North Pacific Ocean. So we can name here major physical features like mountain chains, the Rocky Mountains, Appalachian Mountain. We were talking about this too. Sierra Nevada, the peaks. There are a lot of peaks. They could be Trapper Peak, Rock Peak, Crazy Peak. Landmarks. Pay attention. We have the Big Bands, White Sands, Niagara Falls, Grand Canyon, Death Valley. This is the lowest point in North America. Then we have the desert, Sonora Desert, Chihuahuan Desert, Black Rock Desert. Mountains, they very important. Mount Rainier, Olympus, Cleveland. We get this is organized from the taller to the lowest about the height. Then we have the plateaus, Columbia Plateau, Colorado Plateau, Ozark Plateau. Let's go to landform, the Superior Upland, Great Basin, Llano Estacado o Llano Estacado, go to ocean, lakes, and rivers. Mississippi, Rio Grande or Rio Grande, Colorado River, Tennessee River, Arkansas River, Missouri River, Ohio River. Oceans, North Pacific Ocean, North Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Lakes, Finger Lakes, Brixel Lake, Lake Okeechobee. Then we have the Great Lakes, Superior, here Ontario, Erie, Michigan. The Capes, there are a lot. Cape Sable Mendocino or Mendocino. Water features like Mississippi Delta, Gulf of Maine, Palmico Sound, Gulf of Mexico, Strait of Florida. And now we have the major cities: New York, Los Angeles, Vancouver, Chicago, Toronto, San Francisco, Houston, Montreal, Miami, Seattle, Minneapolis, Detroit, Vancouver, Toronto. They're from Canada, but they are major cities that are near of United States. Around the United States and Canada. There are a lot over here. Don't forget about Hawaii. We have the Mayu East, Hawaii East, Molokai East. They're all island. This is for island. Don't forget about it. So I would like to show you a video then to understand better this part of this lesson.
The United States is very large and has a variety of landscapes. It has Canada to the north and Mexico to the south. Because of its size, they have divided the United States into 3 regions. You have the East and the South, the interior plains, and the West. In the East, the low flatland that is close to the sea is the Atlantic coastal plain. As you move west, the land gradually rises. This area is called the Piedmont. The major mountain range in the east is the Appalachian Mountains. It is a very old range, as millions of years of erosion have smoothed out its peaks. The highest mountain in this range is only 6,700 feet. In the south, there's low flatland that is close to the sea. This is called the Gulf Coastal Plain. The main bodies of water in the east and the south are the Atlantic Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico. Moving into the interior plains. This area is west of the Appalachian Mountains. It is vast and full of hills, lakes, and rivers. The major waterways in this region are the Great Lakes, which is the largest group of freshwater lakes in the world. It is important trade routes between the United States and Canada. The Great Lakes are Lake Ontario, Lake Erie, Lake Huron, Lake Michigan, and Lake Superior. The Mississippi River is also a major waterway that empties into the Gulf of Mexico. Two tributaries that empty into the Mississippi River are the Ohio River and the Missouri River. West of the interior plains, the land gradually rises towards the Rocky Mountains. These grasslands are called the Great Plains. West of the Great Plains is the enormous mountain range called the Rocky Mountains. They are very rugged and steep and rise up to 14,000 feet. West of that are the Great Salt Lake and the Great Basin. The Cascade Range, which is mainly made up of dormant volcanoes, and the Sierra Nevadas are two mountain ranges located west of the Rocky Mountains. Mountains stretch all the way into Alaska along the Pacific coast. In Alaska, you will find Mount McKinley, which is the highest mountain in North America. The Pacific Ocean is the major waterway of the western United States.
To end this lesson, I will show you some questions for lesson 2. Discuss in pair and answer, please. We have 5 questions. Number 1. What are the names of the 5 Great Lakes in the United States? Also, I know you can Google it. Don't worry about it. Number 2. Can you name a favorite river that flows through the Midwest of the United States? Name a major city in the northern part of the United States. Which mountain range runs from the northernmost part of the British Columbia down to New Mexico in the southwestern United States? And the last one, what is the longest river in North America that flows through the Midwest and joins the Mississippi River in Missouri? So it will be interesting if you can investigate about it. Or anyway, you can read our PDF file of lesson 2. Also, you can find here a link, the USA Google Earth. It's marvelous. I will show you. Here we are, United States. Let's get a zoom. You can see the rocky part, mountains. Remember, this is a physical view. the lakes over here. Don't forget about the ocean. Doing zoom. Dead Valley National Park, Sierra National Forest, Tahoe National Forest. Remember we were talking about this. Six Rivers National Forest. This is amazing. There's another zone over here. You can see the mountains, peaks. As long as you can do the zoom here, you get closer, of course, and you can see better. And there are the names of every part you want to see. So the link of the Google Earth I let you on the over here. Use the Google Earth, so you could go and see and travel around the physical features of the USA. See you next time.